Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to today's video. I decided that today I want to share one little quick product that I recently got from Sephora during the VIB sale. And if you are not a member of Sephora's rewards program, I don't know what your problem is, but y'all, it is the best thing ever. You get points for all of your purchases, and then those points you can then use for free product, or you can just let them build so that you get your like ranking a little bit higher, so that a couple times a year they have sales based on levels and you get heck of a deal. So this time the VIB sale was 20% off of your orders, and I picked up the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna 2 Lil Mattemoiselle's Plush Matte Liquid Lipstick Duos. And here's what the packaging looks like. Really sleek packaging. These are the two components and the two colors. I'm not really sure about these colors now that I'm looking at it, but I do want to show you all the packaging, what it looks like, and do a swatch for you all real quick. So if you want to see what these two Fenty Beauty lip products look like, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and keep on watching. Okay, so before I get started, I want to take off my lip gloss just so we make sure that the color will stick. Oh, I'm not going to tell y'all what wipes these are, but they will be in next month's video when I do my favorite products and then the products I hate. Oh, they're terrible. Like, it leaves hair all over my lips. Okay, so I'm going to take these out. Now, this duo does retail for $19. And it comes in packaging like this. I'm just gonna pop them both out. Now, this says Lil, like Lil as in little, L-I-L, Lil. And they are Lil. They are so small, so tiny, you guys. Let me see if I can compare it to something. So I've got this tube of a lipstick. This is like a standard size tube of lipstick, and this is that compared. So it is significantly smaller. All right, so the first one we're gonna try on is, oh my God, and these names are printed so small. So this is the color Spanked. So the packaging is this nice chrome color. It has the Fenty Beauty logo on the top of it. And then let's see how much product you actually get. Okay, so you don't get much product at all. That's as much product that you get. The Fenty Beauty logo is on the top. And this is like a nice, like, cranberry-ish color. Not really sure. So for the sake of this video, I'm not gonna line my lips. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply. I feel like this is not my shade of like a red or cranberry color. This looks a little muted almost, but we're gonna try it on. So let's see here. Got my mirror right here. I already do not like it. This is definitely not a chocolate girl friendly color. Like, not my color, chocolate friendly. Y'all, this looks a hot horrid mess. Maybe if I had some lip liner on, like a dark lip liner on with it, it might look better. But this is a disaster. Oh, let me see if I can clean this up real quick. Somehow, some way. Oh, this is crazy. So this is terrible. Even with the lip liner, like, the liner won't even go over the top of this color. So if you are my shade or darker, try lip liner first before you put this lipstick on. Otherwise, you're gonna look like a clown like I do right now. Like, I can't even stand this. I've got to take this off. Like, I'm so disappointed right now. Ooh. But it does come off super easy. I will give it that. The next color is, oh, that's the same one. Griselda. It sounds like somebody's old granny's name, or like an evil stepmother or an evil stepsister. Griselda. But I'm sure that's probably like somebody in RiRi's family's name. So my apologies, girl. All right, so this is a darker color. So this may have some promise. Again, not much product. It is mini size. So let's see what this is looking like. Ah. Okay. Okay, this is already better. Okay, so I actually really kind of like this color. I think this is a fun color for like a little fun, flirty night out. I think it looks great. I love dark colors like this because it makes your teeth look even whiter than they are. I love it. As I have lipstick on mine. I just can't get it together tonight, y'all. Okay, so I do like this color. I think it's nice. So far, again, I've only had it on for a hot second. It's very comfortable. It's not drying. It is nice, smooth formula, obviously very pigmented. I would like to see how long this actually wears throughout the day. So I think I'm actually going to leave this on for a little while to see, just eat a little food, drink a little water, see how it lasts through that. And do y'all hear this? My dog is going crazy upstairs. Sounds like a rabbit thumping its foot. Oh my God, these dogs are crazy, y'all. Okay, so far I think that looks pretty good. So I'm gonna leave this one on. All right, guys, so far of these two, of course, the first one you all saw what that looked like, looked a mess. Again, the duo, this particular duo does retail for $19. Let's see, the full size, let's see here. Okay, the full size actually is $18 by itself. So this duo of both of the minis is $19. So the full size, you get 0.06 ounces worth of product. And then in this duo, you get 0.035. So the full size is half of this size. So, no. The mini is half the full size. So again, the full size is they do retail for $18 a piece. This duo special limited edition is $19. And in the full size bottle, the full size, it looks like it comes in 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 different shades. So here's what it looks like on Sephora. So it does come in all of those different shades. So it's got a couple of other colors that I think I would like to try. That Madame is like a royal red. That looks really nice. So I think I want to try that one in the full size. But yeah, y'all, like Rihanna has like been killing it. She has launched so many products since the launch of the Fenty No Filter or Pro Filter foundation that came out last year, or was that the beginning of this year? Heck, I don't remember. I will link the video up here in one of the cards so you can check out my review of the foundation, which I did get on at the minute it launched. Like I waited up the middle of the night, like 3 a.m. like Eastern time, so that I could get it when it went on sale at midnight Pacific time. So I did get the foundation and I tried it out and I did a full review, so if you want to check that out. And then since then she's dropped so many other like items. She's dropped lipsticks, lip liners, eyeliners, a couple different eyeshadow palettes, highlighters, blotting papers, a brush set. I mean, you name it, she has done it all. Eye primer and then foundation primer, the whole nine, like the whole nine, y'all. Like RiRi is doing it up. So I wanted to share these with you guys. I know that you all really like it when I do lip reviews and do lip swatches, so I wanted to get this one up real quick. This is a short video because there's only 2 little mini products. So if you all like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you're always notified of every future upload. And do not forget, you all, we are so close to 2,500 subscribers. Be sure to share this video along with a link to my channel to all of your family, friends, loved ones, and even the people that you don't like. So I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to leave me some comments below. Let me know what you would like to see. And super excited, I just got access to the community tab here on YouTube, so if you want to pop over, say hey, see what's going on in my world on a day-to-day basis, be sure to check out the community tab. And I think that's it, y'all. And as always, a link to the products will be down in the description box, along with all of my social media handles, names, whatever you want to call it. Hit me up, say hey. Also check out the vlog, and I will see you all in the next video.